This morning, the leader of the Yoruba Sociocultural Organization, Afenifere, His Royal Highness Oba Oladipo Olaitan, has attacked the APC government. Notwithstanding that APC PDP has been designated as terrorist organization by the Canadian court, this Oba came to Channels Television this morning to say what we all know again. And I would like you to watch to the end of this video because I will explain why I am so confused about Nigeria to you. The Oba said that APC government, this Tinubu's APC, when Tinubu and Buhari formed a coalition, he said they imported Fulani militias from the Sahel to help them rig election. This is what we know. But for someone of that status to come at this point, to continue to say this or to continue to say this after so many years, it means that the repercussion, the danger of the militias they imported, who are the bandits we are seeing today, is now affecting everybody. Stay with me, let us dive into this video.
So are we taking, is Afenifere taking a more holistic look at this security problem instead of just saying, oh, this is about politics, some people just want to grab power or they want to grab and run? Because at the end of the day, if we continue to politicize the problems, will we find a solution, the right solution to what is currently bedeviling our land?
You are the one politicizing it, I'm not. I've just told you what they are doing and what they intend to do and what they intend to achieve. I didn't politicize it.
Who are the they, sir?
Thank you, the government. I've just told you that one of their leaders before said, and he must know, he said that once you have insecurity in place for more than 24 hours, the government has a hand in it. I didn't say it. The former head of state said it. And now we're talking about what the last president did. May so rest in peace. It was his regime that imported Fulanis to this country. Everybody said it, admitted it on television, and they were negotiating to pay them money. These are not fit of that government, isn't it? Is it not the same APC? The same APC imported bandits into this country. And the current government is APC, and you're saying, I'm not politicizing that. I'm telling you what happened. I'm sorry you're saying this, and you're a Nigerian, and the news person, you must know. They admitted it that they brought Fulanis into this country to win election. They didn't hide it. They said after they finished, they wanted those Fulanis to go back, and they didn't go back, so they wanted money, and they were negotiating how much to pay them. They mentioned all, you're Nigerian, you're this person, you must know.
This is the way I'm looking at Nigerians. Yes, with one eye. I'm no longer using two eyes to look at people again. You know why? I don't know whether we were hypnotized. I don't know the spell that was cast on us. But if it was a spell, it was a great one. Now, you know, I will continue to say this because this is the focal point. This is the weighty, point, or I don't know the adjective I will use to qualify this. But this is the main issue. That the Nigerian politicians, the APC government, that they imported terrorists into the country. Now, they confess, listen to me, anytime I keep on pondering on this thing, I don't know how to explain this. I mean, your politicians imported terrorists into the country. They said they needed 3 million votes and they needed 3 million people. Whether they were able to import up to 3 million, I doubt. But they should be able to import up to 800,000 to 2 million people with arms into the country. They said they want to use them for election. And after the election, what happened? They came to Chinese television. They started confessing, oh, we imported these militias from Sahel. We didn't use them to do election again. We imported them to do election. But when Dindo Mendaye, Atiku Abubakar, Bukola Sariki now join Tinubu and Buhari, AC and CPC coalition. So we did not use them again. We believe that we are going to win, Jonathan. Are you serious? And if we come out to say this and this is going on in Nigeria, people will say, hey, keep quiet. I said, what kind of demonic spell that was cast on you people? APC government imported terrorists. You see all these bandits you are seeing, all these bandits. You know why I don't too much stress myself talking about them? I talk about politicians who sponsor them. APC government solely imported this and destabilized Nigeria. So this is my anger with the CDS. This is my anger with IGP. This is my anger with all the whole security bosses who are there pretending that they don't know what happened. These people who are still in power, they were part of them. Like Kuwa Baraje came to national television. He confessed about it. He was not afraid of DSS because they control DSS. DSS knows about this importation. DSS knows people who are sponsoring Boko Haram. And you think that Nigeria people are normal? We are not normal. No, we are not normal. Because there is no country in the world where their politicians, after importing terrorists that have killed over 1 million people. How many population do we have in San Marino, Luxembourg, Monaco? These people are not, some of them are not up to 1 million. Vatican City, all these countries, they are not up to 1 million. I mean, the bandits we imported have killed 1 million people, and you people are still there. I don't get it. Please help me make sense. I don't understand what is actually wrong with Nigerians. Now, you see why I don't put mouth in politics too much? Because we are still gullibles. I'm sorry that I'm using these words. Is it talking about, oh God, is it talking about, for example, electoral reforms? Is the solution? Someone who committed treason and came to national television and tell you that, yes, I imported terrorists, I committed treason. Fear did not allow the DSS to go and arrest him. Is it electoral reform that they are not going to breach? They will breach the electoral reform. They will violate it. They will ask you to go to court. They own the court. You people don't still understand where you are. You are in the jungle, very mature jungle. Very mature one. Oh. I look at people talking about, let us vote for a good candidate. I fold hand and I'm looking at you because you don't know what you are talking. You don't know what you are talking about. Go and ask Goodluck Jonathan. You don't know. See, this country is now working on a system. You see, you might blame Tinubu. If you blame Tinubu, the next president that will come, you will still blame him. I don't support Tinubu. I'm not in support of, of all these politicians. The next, bring angel to Aso Rock. Nigerians will still blame the angel. You know why? There is a system that has been put in place. Okay, you mean up to 1 million people that have been scattered over Nigeria with arms. How will you get them back? They have an ideology. Someone they appointed Boko Haram commissioner in Nigeria. You people are joking now. So you mean someone will just walk to Aso Rock? Aso Rock is like your parlor, right? Without the help of these people who imported terrorists. They will decide who goes there. And if they ask Angel, to go there, if angels get there, as far as they push the angel to that place, if the angel misbehave, they will still remove the angel as they put him in that place. To remove someone is of two types. It's either you die in power, or they impeach you. There is a very big problem. Now, anytime I'm saying all these things, people will come out to tell me that, what is the solution now? Yes, what is the solution? The solution is, if Nigeria want to survive this, and the people will take back the power, it will be difficult, but it needs a revolution. When I mean a revolution is something that it will be difficult to happen in Nigeria because of the same thing I'm talking about. That the people imported terrorists, they come to national television to say it is enough to cause a revolution in a country. Because the police, the army, the DSS are sitting watching him. Oh, you brought the terrorists into the country. The terrorists are killing the people. And CDS is telling you that the roads are bad. That is why they have not finished the terrorists. CDS is telling you to fence Nigeria. And people who are sponsoring insecurity are in Aso Rock. You see how foolish black race are? No, we are like cost generation. The amount of pastors like this, imams, business people, they can't talk now. If you talk as a businessman, your business is gone. If you are neither that or you are a prominent person, a public figure to say, and you used to go to public places, whether to preach or to teach, if you hammer on these things, they will blacklist you. They will kill your career. Unless you have to align with them. You have to align with them. So, the Afenifere leader came out today to make a very important point, a very important message that everybody in Nigeria should be aware of. This is a message that a lot of people knows right from time. This is something that is not hidden. And this is what he said. APC thrives on deceit, manipulation, brought in foreign Fulanis to destroy Nigeria. APC thrives on deceit. They brought in foreign Fulanis to destroy Nigerians. Now, this was published by Sahara Reporters, and I would like you to read it, and let's not just summarize the report over there, because it's not everyone that loves reading. And this is what it reads. The leader of the Yoruba Sociocultural Organization, Afenifere, Oba Oladipo Olaita, has attacked the ruling All Progressive Congress APC, accusing the party of thriving on deceit, manipulation, and deliberate concealment of truth to hold on to the power. Olaita made the remarks on Tuesday morning while speaking on Sunrise Daily, a Chinese television program monitored by Sahara Reporters. The Afenifere leader said that the APC government has continued to mislead Nigerians through propaganda while failing to deliver on basic governance and security. And this is what he said, I quote, well, APC is good at what they know how to do. Deceive people, manipulate people, conceal issues. That is their job. They know how to do it. Oba Olaita said. If you need further information, you can go to the website of Sahara Reporters to read it more. Let me tell you, nothing will change. Political regime change is not the hope of the people. I am telling you this now for free. Someone who imports terrorists to kill you cannot save you. Somebody who imported a terrorist to kill you don't have anything to do with you. Open your eyes, you dumbs. Open your eyes. I mean someone import terrorists to kill you and everybody is still clapping following them. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. You know, if you talk truth, you will die. If you did not talk, you will die. So we are not afraid to say the truth. And only the truth you know will set you free. Let me know what you think about this. I'm Okocha Happy myself, a conflict and insecurity reporter.